What up, guys? It's your boy Jam Tech, and I'm back with a little something for you. Yep, it's here. You're supposed to see it in the title by now, but yeah, here we are. My new Pioneer X4800BT. Look at all the features that it have. Yep. Going into my little pickup. Yeah, we're going to be upgrading. I'm going to show you guys how to install this. So this is just a little unboxing. See what's going on inside. Very, very excited. Interesting. Here we have the wire harness. A bug.
Got him! Got him!
This looks like a microphone. Interesting. A remote control, so I don't have to look on the radio again. I can just look at the remote control. Slick. Some screws, conversion, so it can fit. And the price, yeah, at last. Here it is. Hold on, I have it upside down. Oh, bad. My new radio. It's here. So I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It's pretty easy, actually. Basically, you're gonna put, this is what plugs into the back of the radio, and here you can see these are the speaker wires, and here are the actual wires that control the radio. Yellow wire is straight positive. The red wire is, don't quote me on this, I don't remember quite clearly, but I'll tell you by, or you might see the correction on the screen. Yellow is straight power, red is ignition power when you turn the ignition switch on. The blue and white wire is your power, your amp turn on wire, and the black wire is for your grounds. So that's basically these wires, and then these are your speaker wires, right? We're gonna install this baby on my pickup, but first things first, let's get the old one out. Let's get it. Well, this is my old radio, and the first thing you need to do basically is to get this piece off that goes around the radio. So you need to get all of this off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this part here. When I get this off, I'm going to see what connects this part here. So let's get it. First thing, you have some 12s. You have some 12s under here. I don't doubt you will see them, but there's some 12s right under there and one over here. So let's get those out. It's very important that you do this. You remove these, get as much space as you can get. Here they are. Phillips. I said 12, I'm an idiot. Yeah, so when you get that off, you pull up this part off right here. Yep, there we are. Then this part is supposed to just pry out. Bingo. You have to disconnect these wires as well, as you can see here. Disconnect that, and this is the switch for my my underglow light, and this is my resistor, my rheostat for the park light. It basically dims the dashboard lights and so on. So you have to disconnect those, and then this is supposed to come out right out. It's supposed to come right out. So get that going. That's one. So now that that's off, now I can see more of what I need to remove. And it looks like I just need to remove this piece here, this trim part. So let's do that. This part basically just clips off of here. You just basically clip this off. And now I have to pull the glove box. You see? So let's get that. After you do that, you just basically pull this part off. Now you just get off these Phillips. Where did I put that Phillips? Here we go. Get this out. Get him out of here. Basically pull these two screws on the side and you're bingo. Get it out of here. Woo. Did I tighten these? Damn. Damn. All right. What you do now is just disconnect. Ooh. He's being a little stubborn, guys. He's being a little stubborn. Here we go. And then you get this shit off. Garbage. So here we are. Now that you got the old unit off, all you have to do basically is just take off these off the side, these brackets. Take them off because they're universal. Well, for me, they are. Let's take that shit off. Alright. This is not really as hard as people make it look, to be honest. When you get that off, put it on the new unit. Now all you do is just slide this baby off here, and then you get your clips. They're labeled right. This is what I took off the old one. This is labeled right, so we'll put it here. You see it slips in, and then you get one of your screws, screw it on in. Getting this prepped up. I'll get the next side. Put this in as well. Here we are. Hold on. Here we go. Now that they're on, you can set this one side. Now it's time to get the harness wired in. The way I'm planning to do it, just to avoid stress, what I'm planning to do is just cut it off from the harness, the back of the harness here, and use it. So basically what I'm going to do is just cut these wires and match the colors to the ones I have on this, because I had a aftermarket radio already, so that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to match the colors. But if you don't know, yellow is a straight power, straight 12 volts. Red is your ignition, so you get 12 volts when you turn the key. Your blue and white is your amp turn on, and your black is your ground. So don't forget that, guys. So I'm gonna get that going.
I've been in the kitchen, whipping. I've been chefing, mix it with my left hand. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. I stir it. I hit the pot with a spatula. I mix it, I whip it so good you would think I'm a natural. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. Y'all want beef and I'ma. You could catch me at the stove. I was whipping up a bowl. I just came back from the stove. 5-star restaurant at home. I just dumped out.
Let's test it out. Accessory. Wait. Yeah. Bingo.
I've been a different person. Don't try to predict my verses. What you're hearing now is me. Whether I'm in front or behind that.
Sounds good. Alright, let's carry on. Well guys, it's all installed. There it is. Switched on. Turn on, guys. Let's play some songs.
Love and hate.
There it is, guys, all installed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Please help a nigga out. Peace. Subscribe and like, comment. I'm out. Rah.